Is the iCloud drive taking too much space on your iCloud? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show how you can delete unnecessary files from your iCloud drive right from your iPhone. So let's get started with the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1, turn off iCloud drive. To do this, open Settings on your iPhone, tap on your Apple ID. Next, tap on iCloud, tap on See All, next to Saved to iCloud. Tap on iCloud Drive, toggle off Sync, this iPhone. After that, tap Turn Off. Solution 2, clear iCloud Drive's files. Open Settings, tap on your Apple ID. Next, tap on iCloud, tap on See All, next to Saved to iCloud. Tap on iCloud Drive, tap Manage Storage, tap Review Files, delete the files and folder you don't need. After that, tap on Browse from the top left corner of the screen and tap on Recently Deleted. Tap on three-dot icon from the top right corner. Tap Select, select all the files, and tap Delete. Lastly, tap on Delete. Solution 3, turn off App Sync to iCloud. Open Settings again. Tap on your Apple ID. Next, tap on iCloud. Tap on See All, next to Save to iCloud. Tap on iCloud Drive. Tap on App Syncing to iCloud Drive. Now toggle off all the apps from here. So guys, that's how you fix iCloud Drive taking too much space on your iPhone. If the video helped you solve the issue, smash that like button, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I will get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.